The impacts from this monster storm are far-reaching. The freezing temps, the 6 degrees, on top of the snow, sleet, creating this icebox cake in the district that no one really wants.
Absolutely. It was another day of shoveling, clearing, and a whole lot of frustration for so many families and businesses. DC News Now's Yamri Sase joining us live tonight in Northwest.
And Yamri, the struggle is real.
Yeah, the struggle is real out here. We're actually in the neighborhood right next to Georgetown University. As you can see, the sidewalk in some areas have not been paved, and a lot of people have been struggling trying to get through that. Many of them have been actually walking around the main road to get to their destination. Now, we stopped by a hardware store near Georgetown as well, and they say that they've actually run out of shovels, salt, and a lot of snow tools. And some businesses next door are actually seeing a boom, but ultimately, everyone I spoke with today tell me that they're just ready for this icy snow to melt.
I've slipped many a times. It's been really difficult, I'm not gonna lie.
Unpaved and icy sidewalks have left many people with no choice but to walk along main roads across the district.
It's just like a little uncomfortable to walk through.
In the midst of it all, some neighbors have been stepping up and helping drivers whose cars were stuck in the snow.
Half the time I get in the car because they have no idea what they're doing. So I'm like, can I just drive it and we get it out?
Others have been shoveling driveways and walkways to make sure people can get out safely.
Because there's like a lot of snow, no one wanted to do it, so I got a lot of business doing that.
Farah Panpolonia says the job hasn't been easy. She even broke her shovel trying to get through the ice.
The ice was coming and making it too impact. It was getting much harder.
At stores like Ace Hardware, finding snow removal tools has been a challenge.
Things are kind of sold out at the moment, but right now we got stuff along the way from our warehouse and we're going to be ready to be stocking.
With supplies running low, some people have been getting creative.
There's some stuff in the hardware that will actually break through ice, like floor scrapers or different things like hammers.
And right next door at Bread Soda, owner and general manager Stephen Teague says the icy conditions haven't slowed business down.
It was busy. Regular numbers, yeah. So we put stuff on social media and stuff like that to tell them we were open and stuff like that, which helps this day and age. But yeah, we're busy.
Now, the district is reminding everyone that either owns a home or owns a business that they are responsible for clearing up that sidewalk. And they are asking people to do that before the snow or the ice refreezes. And again, Mayor Bowser actually posted on X earlier today that snow crews are still out here. They are trying to get to those neighborhoods next. For now, reporting in Northwest, I'm Yamari Sase, DC News Now.